How to log in old Gmail ID on new mobile. Hey, everyone. Welcome back, where we solve your tech problems with simple tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in to your old Gmail ID on a new mobile device. Let's get started. First, unlock your new mobile and either open the Gmail app directly, or go to the phone's settings and tap on Accounts and Sync or simply Accounts. Scroll down and select Add Account. Look for Google and tap on it. Now enter your old Gmail ID and tap Next. Make sure to type it correctly. Enter your password and tap Next. If you've forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password and follow the recovery steps. After logging in, accept the terms and conditions. Your Gmail account will now sync automatically with your device. Finally, open the Gmail app to check if your emails are syncing properly. You should see all your old emails here. And that's it. You've successfully logged in your old Gmail ID on your new mobile. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. See you in the next one.